Clarification that's coming in from Himachal Pradesh Minister Jagat Negi on the comments he made on Kangana Ranaut. He says, BJP is trying to twist my statement. I never insulted Kangana Ranaut, only questioned why Kangana didn't visit Mandi. Kangana is avoiding responsibility as a member of parliament. This is a message that he's said, no apology. Remember, he's not cared to apologize, but asserts his stand, saying that Kangana was trying to avoid responsibility as a member of parliament. She didn't visit flood-affected areas, but, no care about what he spoke about her makeup, her looks, that he spoke in a full House assembly and received huge criticism. You have Jagat Negi now tries to clarify, saying the BJP is twisting my statement. I never said or insulted Kangana. It's being twisted. Only questioned why Kangana didn't visit Mandi. Here's what he said.
अब बीजेपी के लोग इस बात के लिए जाने जाते हैं कि वो हर बात को ट्विस्ट करते हैं। अब जो मैंने कंगना जी के बारे में कहा, मैंने कोई उनका अपमान नहीं किया। इट वाज एक तंज था कि ऐसे मुसीबत के समय वो नहीं आ रही है और ट्वीट कर रही है कि इनको कह रहे हैं, विधायक कह रहे हैं, इनको कोई अधिकारी कह रहे हैं कि भी हिमाचल में मौसम खराब है, रेड और ऑरेंज जो है अलर्ट है। तो क्या ये रेड और ऑरेंज अलर्ट होने से नहीं आना और अपनी जिम्मेवारी से जो पिंड छुड़ाना और इस इलाके के जहाँ पर 34 एक जगह पे 9 लोग दूसरी जगह पे और उतने ही लोग जो है तीसरे जगह पे, वो भी उसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में, पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में डेथ हो जाए और इतने संवेदनशीलता कहाँ है इनकी। तो मैंने तो उसको एक तंज के तौर में कहा। मैं कोई महिलाओं का हमेशा सम्मान करता हूँ, मेरे कोई महिलाओं के प्रति कोई ऐसा कोई अपमान करने वाली बात नहीं थी।
Now, Himachal Minister Jagat Singh Negi has sparked outrage after making sexist remarks about actor politician Kangana Ranaut. He stated that without any makeup, people wouldn't even recognize Kangana, whether it's her or her mother, people would be confused. He said that while speaking about the flood situation in Himachal, saying Kangana Ranaut visited the flood-affected areas much later after rains had subsided and all the devastation had already happened. She then visited the area when the rains were all gone. BJP MP hit out at Negi, claiming that she's become everyone's favorite target. Kangana Ranaut has responded, and she says that she's paying the price for attempting to awake the sleeping nation. This is not the first time Kangana has faced derogatory remarks coming from the Congress members. Earlier you heard a controversy that was brewing around a post that was put out from Congress's IT head Supriya Srinath's social media account where there was a derogatory post that was put out. Later she did apologize for it, saying it wasn't her, it was one of her team members who may have put it out without her consent. But here's yet another comment coming in from another Congress Neta, in fact the minister in his own right in Himachal, making that comment in the assembly.
सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। तो वो आई उधर, तो जब सब कुछ वहां ठीक ठाक हो गया, घड़ियाली आंसू बहा के चले गई। तो ऐसा भी क्या करना, तो ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं।